2, 1, go! The race is on!
Is your home Wi-Fi weak in rooms where you'd like to game online and stream in 4K? Does your home have Wi-Fi dead spots? What you need is the TP-Link AC2600 Wi-Fi range extender RE650. Set it up in no time. Just plug it in and the intelligent signal indicator helps you find the perfect spot. Use the free Tether app for easy control from your smartphone. 4 external antennas deliver Wi-Fi that covers up to 14,000 square feet of your home. And beamforming intelligently targets devices with stronger connections as they move between rooms and floors. At the heart of the RE650 is a powerful intelligent processing engine, easily delivering super-fast Wi-Fi for 4K streaming and lag-free gaming. A home network needs to deliver high-speed Wi-Fi to everyone in the family. UMIMO technology brings speed and stability to more devices at the same time. 11AC Wave 2 Wi-Fi technology with 4-stream and 256 comm expands overall capacity and lets everyone enjoy whatever they want, whenever they want. With the TP-Link AC2600 Wi-Fi range extender RE650, enjoy total Wi-Fi freedom in your home.
Hey, I'd like to introduce you to Phone Soap 3, the latest and greatest phone soap. When you receive your phone soap, it'll come in a box like this. Using your teeth or a sharp blade, cut the box across the dotted line and it'll flip right open. Inside the box, you'll find the phone soap right here. Above the phone soap, behind this cardboard flap, you'll find the power adapter. Inside the phone soap, you'll find the instructions, with an included microfiber pad for cleaning up smudges. Step 1, take your power adapter, plug it into the wall. Step 2, take the barrel jack end of the power adapter and plug it into the phone soap, like this. Step 3, open your phone soap. Inside you'll find these 2 ultra-powerful UVC lights for killing germs. And this reflective coating bounces the light around inside so it gets in all the nooks and crannies. Go ahead and put your phone inside the phone soap like this and close the lid. This blue light turns on, indicating that your phone is being sanitized. After 10 minutes, this light turns off and you can pick up your phone. But what if there's a case on my phone? That's okay. The case is the part you touch, so that's the part you want cleaned. Leave it on. Phone Soap 3 is also a charger. In fact, it has 2 charging ports, one USB and one USB-C. For example, you can charge your phone and your smartwatch at the same time. Phone Soap was designed to be super easy to use. In fact, it's part of a habit that you already have. Just plug your phone in at night before you go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, your phone won't only be charged, but it'll be germ-free.